cost of engagement versus opportunity cost versus, hey, what's the cost if you don't do this versus the cost if you do this? Can you just break down what it actually means?
I've been in situations before. If we take the example of the company that went to an investor and found out their balance sheet was a mess, a balance sheet mess could go back 3 to 5 years. It could be an opening balance from 5 years ago that's causing you a problem. So if you're talking about a 5-year cleanup to get your financials in shape, you're talking an engagement that costs tens of thousands of dollars because you're going back and you're trying to look at bank statements from
Wow.
2017, right?
Wow.
Just
Okay.
to clean things up. You're having to go back to vendors and go, can you please print out these statements from 5 years ago? And they charge you for that. None of that is ever free when people have to go back to archives, and you're
Sure.
jogging your memory. You're going, what's that transaction in 2018? And then there's consequences of cash flow in terms of I missed payroll. What's the consequence of that when your employees are told, sorry, but you're going to have to wait a week for your paycheck? Or a vendor you really like and is doing a great job is told, sorry, we're having cash flow issues. Let me pay half your invoice and we'll cover the other half in a month or two. What are the repercussions of that with all the relationships you've built, your reputation in the marketplace? You only get a first chance to make a good first impression.
Sure.
So if you're approaching an investor or a bank and you're showing a financial statement that's very sloppy, what impression do they have of you right on the spot? You don't think having your house in order is important. And that's a scary message if I'm investing in your business.
What would you say to that person who's like, yeah, I don't know, man. Like, I've been, maybe even worse, avoiding this for a long time.
There are a lot of people that try to do it themselves. And I would say to you, Shiraz, is your time best spent trying to figure out how to file your T2 at the year end? Is your time best spent going through all your invoices and receipts and putting them in the QuickBooks? Imagine that you don't have to think about accounting anymore. It's off your plate. What
Wow.
would you be doing with that time?
I can answer that question.
Yeah.
Sleep a lot better.